Hi, I'm Reid, editor of the EdisonReport, and we're here at LEDucation 2026, our C-Suite Series, and I'm joined by Bill Sims, the CEO of Aither Global Holdings. Bill, it's nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
So here's my first question. Tell our audience a little bit about markets that you specialize in with Cooledge.
Cooledge Lighting, yes. So we really have two approaches to the business. We have our architectural specification business, which we typically use lighting agents for. And then we are heavily focused on a direct-to-customer business or key account business. Within those industries, lighting for automotive, for high-end fashion, for cosmetics, for any place you might imagine a customer requiring lighting excellence and experience that really will make the customer more comfortable in their shopping, want to stay in the store longer, etc., is where we specialize.
I'm going to show my ignorance. When you say automotive, you're speaking about the retail dealerships.
It's all retail, that's right.
Not inside of the cars yet.
Not inside of the cars. It's definitely the retail purchasing experience.
Okay. Well, we know Cooledge, of course, because of Clara Powell,
yes,
and does a phenomenal job with you guys. But Cooledge has been around, I guess, what, 2009?
2009. It actually started as a device business, an LED company, believe it or not. But in 2016, we really evolved into taking these big leaps into an immersive experience. That's really critical to us. Light as part of the built environment, as opposed to simply for task or candidly simply as an afterthought. And we thought that LEDs could be used far more creatively than that.
We receive a lot of your press releases, and we see some of these beautiful jobs that you have done with these ceilings. Mm-hmm. What is the longest ceiling you've ever done?
It's about 150 feet by as much as 16 feet.
Continuous?
Continuous, that's right. We have one customer, one premium automotive brand that typically pushes the envelope on how long we can we can install a ceiling in their retail outlet.
So Cooledge has been going on, growing and growing from 2009, and then I was shocked when I read the press release last month about Nanometer. Tell our audience a little bit about Nanometer.
Well, Aither Global Holdings actually has three businesses. As Cooledge Lighting has a business called Valeria Systems, which we can talk about, and also we recently acquired Nanometer. Nanometer is a very, very complementary add to our business. A lot of their projects looked a lot like Cooledge Lighting, but they go about it in a very different way. More unique set of products, more focused on complex control, node control. They have low-profile illumination. Complete complement to what Cooledge Lighting is doing, and an absolute great fit for our business.
Do you use the same network of reps?
Well, one of the advantages that comes with this is that Cooledge Lighting has almost 65 agents in North America. Nanometer had about 15. So there's the opportunity for quite some expansion. They also did not have a key account focus, so we have the opportunity to bring an expanded offering of products to our existing customers.
You've got three brands now, so you needed a new parent company, and this is where Aither came from. Is that correct?
That's right. We created Aither as part of the Nanometer acquisition. We wanted the businesses to be able to function independently, and they will. There's no intention to merge any of the businesses or the products, candidly. But the notion is that when it relates to immersive experiences, to light as a building material, to turning complete ceilings into light sources, we wanted to be able to offer our customers pretty much anything they could ever imagine, really limited by their own imagination. One of our three businesses should be able to fill their needs.
It'll take you a few years to digest Nanometer, probably, and will you continue to acquire companies?
Well, yeah, we are certainly thinking that there's at least one other element we might like, maybe even more heavily focused on controls, for example. But from the product side, we think we're quite well served where we sit today.
Can you speak to the ownership of Aither?
Yeah, sure. It's privately held. Combination of family offices, venture capital firms, etc. Diverse is the best way I could put it.
Okay. Okay, how has the show been for you?
The show's been great. We've always looked forward to this show. The traffic is very good. It's very focused. We're excited in general, not just because of the acquisition. We're seeing an uptick in the market. The last couple of years have been relatively difficult for the industry. We started to see, this is general, not just about my business, but kind of an uptick in Q4. That's really continued into the first quarter of this year. For our business specifically, that's exactly what we've seen. We've had a very, very good start to the year and feeling good about where things are going to transpire.
Who is your rep here in New York City?
ELA.
Okay. You're in good shape.
Yes.
All right, Bill. Great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.